Hello friends, welcome back to US Mix channel. Today's topic is Asus ZenFone 6 launched with 8GB RAM and 48 megapixel rotating camera. First go to our website. Our website is usnmix.com and there is one report for Asus ZenFone 6. Asus ZenFone 6 launched with 8GB RAM and 48 MP rotating camera. Go to the full report. Asus ZenFone 6 launched with 8GB RAM and 48 rotating camera. US Mix report: 8GB RAM, 48 rotating camera launched with Asus ZenFone 6. The main attraction of this phone is rotating camera. In addition to this, there are several interesting features. Let's go to see the full features. Taiwan smartphone maker Asus ZenFone 6 was launched in an event on Thursday. The 48 megapixel primary sensor on the phone will be equipped with the dual rear camera setup. In addition to this, there are several interesting features, but the main attraction of this phone is its rotating camera. Let's take a look at this time the Asus ZenFone 6 specification and price. Asus ZenFone 6 specification and price. First, 6.4-inch full HD plus notch-free display. This phone's screen to body ratio is more than 92%. This smartphone can be found in three types of storage variants: 6GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and 8GB RAM, 256 internal storage variant can be found in this smartphone. With the help of micro SD card, the phone's internal storage can be increased. So you can increase the memory through this micro SD card, and there are three variants of this smartphone. One is 6GB RAM with 64GB internal, one is 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, and another is 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And the third point is Android 9.0 Pie operating system and Snapdragon processor is 855 chipset. 4 is 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 13 megapixel extensively censored dual rotating camera setup for photos. These two cameras can be used for selfie evacuation. The fingerprint sensor is behind the phone, so there is also fingerprint sensor behind this phone, and there is a 48 megapixel rotating camera for better photo. And the fifth point is there will be 5 megahertz non-removable battery on this phone. With this, there will be fast charging facilities, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC, Bluetooth, V5.0 GPS, AY GPS, and USB Type-C port for connectivity. So all the features are updated, and 5 megahertz battery. That means it is the power of the battery is high. You can your charge is never go out. If the phone's charge is always, if you have charge one day, and it can be take 2 or 3 days to charge off. So it takes more charge because its power is high. 5 megahertz battery, non-removable battery. And Asus ZenFone 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage variant will cost 499 euros in Indian currency, which is about 39.100 INR. 500 euros, 1 euros, less than 1 euro, 499 euros in the price in the global market. Its price is 499 euros, and Indian currency it is about 39.100 INR, 39,100. At the top variant of this phone, 599 euros, that is 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Its price is 599 euros, 599 euros, and Indian currency the price is approximately 47,000. This is still the information about when the phone is launched in India. There is no information about when the phone come in launch in India. It is not launched in India till now, but Asus phone is available in the other countries. So It is mainly the Taiwan's product. Let's go to the official website of this Asus phone, and this is the official website Asus, and there is ZenFone 6 Day 5 Ordinary Snapdragon. ZenFone 6. This is the logo of this ZenFone 6. Then there is one video. Let's see the video. The power is high. That means this is a ZenFone 6. Flip camera with 48 megapixel rotating camera. So that's the video. Latest flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform. The flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform is the fastest ever. So you will never lack for the processing or graphics power, with up to a massive 8 GB of memory and 256 GB storage. ZenFone 6 has all its resources demanded by the latest app and games. So it is better for a good phone for you can upload any type of apps and games, and so the power is more, and the 8 GB RAM processor, 8 GB RAM, and the storage is high, 256 GB storage. So everything all you have enjoy with this phone. If you want to download this any app or want to play any game, this is helpful with this phone. And this 850 Qualcomm Snapdragon 6.4-inch all-screen nano edge display with Corning Gloria Glass 6. The all-screen nano edge display with a cinema grade 100 DCI P3 color gamut that lets you see everything in vivid, lifelike color, even outdoors in bright sunlight. This stunning display is fully protected by the latest, most drop-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass 6, making ZenFone 6 extraordinarily tough. So it is a Gorilla Glass, so its glass is too much high, and long-lasting 500 battery with quick charger 4.0. So ZenFone 6 packs a monster 500 MHz high-quality battery that lets you enjoy a non-stop mobile lifestyle. So that's why I want to say this is the charge never stop, charge never goes out, and you will enjoy with non-stop mobile lifestyle. There is no need for bulky chargers or power banks even when you are out all the day, not all the day, not all the week. So its charger battery is too much high. You can easily do 2 or 3 days with your phone non-stop charging. 5000 MHz battery. And goodbye traditional flip camera. The revolutionary flip camera removes the limits on your connectivity and gives you the freedom to get truly inventive with your photography. Forget the past and discover brand new way to stamp your personality on your photos and videos. Free angle shooting, wide ultra wide camera with real time distortion correction, front and rear 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 and 13 megapixel ultra wide. The camera is high. Why choose ordinary when there is a ZenFone 6? Get the all new ZenFone 6 now. So that's it. The detailed specification of the phone in the official website of this ZenFone Asus. So this is the ZenFone, detail about the ZenFone. So it is very good phone for use. If you like the phone, you can purchase it through online, and also an India market is there is no not launch the phone in India, but if you going to the outside, this Taiwan phone Asus ZenFone 6 is very good phone, and you can purchase it through online or anywhere else in the mobile store, the outside of this India. Thank you very much for watching this USN Mix report. And if you like our video channel, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.